Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing some engine bay covers from NGI and the Stinger. Let's go ahead and see what we'll need to do to get them installed. I'm going to start over here on the driver's side, and all we really need is a push pin removal tool. We're going to be taking this plastic cover off and then reusing the pins to put the metal cover on. Now for the passenger side, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because there's not as many push pins over here as you can see, so they've included some brackets for us. We're going to be using this spot right here in front of the washer fluid cap. I'm going to take that bolt out and put one of these brackets under it and just put it right back in. And then this one right here, this bracket's actually going to sit like that, and then the push pins that they've included are going to go into these holes. Alrighty, and it's just that easy to get these things installed, and I've got to say, it makes the engine bay look so much better. I also went ahead and picked up a new dipstick from NGI. It's the red billet aluminum, and it's the same type as the stock kind. It's got that braided cable. I just didn't like how there was just a random bit of yellow inside here with all the red. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install, let me know in the comments down below. I don't think their website is up yet for purchasing these. So I will be leaving the Instagram to the guy who sold me mine in the description down below, so you can contact him if you want to go ahead and grab some of these for your Stinger. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.